Integration is reverse of differentiation. If you know differentiation, we can simply do integration. So let's start with the first rule of formula of integration. First one is power rule. It is power rule. What is power rule? So integral of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Remember, whenever we are doing integral of any number or any element, remember you have to write this plus c. Okay, so integral of x to the power n is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula. This we call power rule. Okay, so see how it works, we will see. Suppose if you have to do integral of x to the power 5, see, x to the power n, in n's place we have 5 here. So just simply substitute in the formula x to the power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1. See, here it is 5. So the formula says x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So we are writing x to the power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus c. Don't forget to write plus c. Okay, so that gives you x to the power 6 by 6 plus c. Okay, so likewise, if you have to do, see, another example I will tell you. This is example 1. Now if you have to do another example, see, integral of root x dx. Okay, integral of root x dx. See, this integral of root x dx, it's not exactly like x to the power 5. So what do we do? This, any mathematics student can write this as, or we all know that we can write this as x to the power under root means half dx. Okay, now see, this is in this form, right? In this form now. Now x to the power half dx. This is in this form. Power rule you can simply apply. Now you substitute the value in the formula. Now see, x to the power n, integral of x to the power n dx is x to the power n plus 1, that is half plus 1 by half plus 1. Okay, plus c. So take LCM. X to the power, if you take LCM, it is 2, 1 plus 2 by, again this is also 2, 1 plus 2. Okay, plus c. This you can write as x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Okay, plus c. Okay, x to the power 3 by 2. You understood this part, right? I have taken LCM, x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1. To this LCM is 2, so it becomes 1 plus 2. Now same in the denominator also, x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 1. So this you can write it as, so 3 by 2, when it is written, it comes like 2 by 3 into x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, now what if this root is, now see another form, another example I will give you. Under root, sorry, integral of 1 by root x. Okay, so here it is root x. Now here if it is written 1 by root x, now this also you can transform, you can write it in the form of x to the power n. How can we write? So 1 by x means x to the power minus 1. Okay, so this also you can write as integral x to the power, under root x is x to the power half. Now 1 by under root x becomes x to the power minus half dx. Now this is in this form, x to the power n. Okay. Now simply you can substitute in the formula. So what the formula says? X to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. So don't forget to write c plus c. Okay. So now see, it is x to the power LCM again 2 minus 1, so it becomes plus 2 by again minus 1 plus 2 by 2. So this is LCM part. Okay, plus 6. Now this, how can we write? X to the power, so minus 1 plus 2 becomes plus 1 by 2 by, again this also becomes 1 by 2 plus 1. So that you can write as 2x to the power 1 by 2. This 1 by 2, 2 goes into numerator, 2x to the power 1 by 2 plus c. So this you can also write as, it can also be written as 2 root x plus c. Got it? Now see, the power rule says, this is one formula that you have to remember. Power rule says x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula. Okay. So any number, any element given in this form, integral x to the power n. See, this is variable and this is constant. Okay. So any number given as x to the power n, you have to rewrite in this form. X to the power, the formula says x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. Now this plus c is any integral question in a solution, that plus c has to be written compulsory. You should not leave it, you should write it. Okay. So now see, for example, if it is x to the power 5 dx, x to the power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1, n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. So x to the power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1. Okay. So what if it is in this form? Okay. Under root x. Under root x is, and this under root you have to write as half x to the power 1 by 2 dx. Okay. So now this 1 by 2 becomes n here. So this becomes n here. So x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay. Then to this part I have taken LCM. So LCM becomes 2. Then 1 plus 2 by 2. Okay. This is also 1 plus 2 by 2 plus c. So again simplify this. You will get 3 by 2 here. And again 3 by 2, this goes to numerator, 2 by 3, x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. What if this is in the numerator? 1 by root x dx. Okay. So this root x, since see, you have to remember, if it is 1 by x, you can write it as x to the power minus 1. Okay. So if it is 1 by x square, you can write it as x to the power minus 2. If it is 1 by x to the power n, you can write it as x to the power minus n. Okay, so like that, it is 1 by x to the power 1 by under root x. So under root x, we can write it as x to the power half. So I have written x to the power minus 2, minus 1 by 2. Okay, dx. Then simplify as it is. N plus 1 formula we will take, x to the power minus 1 plus 2 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 LCM. Okay. So here again, since it is x to the power half, okay, I have written it as under root x. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. The first formula, power rule. Did you understand?